Hi guys, this is Big Phil from Big Phil TV. Once again, I'm back to another video. This time, we're going to be checking out the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. This is the first headset from Huawei that has an active noise cancelling. In this video, we're going to check out everything about it. The sound quality, the active noise cancellation, the headset, the charging case, the earbuds, everything we're going to check out in this video. And we're also going to be comparing it with my favorite headset right now, which is the Sony WF-1000XM3. So we're going to find out if the Huawei FreeBuds Pro can compare with the top headset with active noise cancelling in 2020. Without wasting much time, let's get that into the video. Let's check it out. This is my first true wireless headset from Huawei, and the reason why I bought it is because of the active noise cancelling. I really want to try it out. I want to see how good this thing is. So I'm going in with an open mind. I'm really going to test out everything about it. If it's good, I'm going to use it. If it's not, then maybe I might do something else or maybe give it away to one of y'all. So as y'all know, the Sony WF-1000XM3 is still my favorite headset in 2020. I've tried it with other true wireless headset with active noise cancelling, like the AirPods Pro. I've tried it with the Sennheiser, which the Sennheiser is good. I've tried it with the Samsung. I've tried it with many other different headsets, but the Sony, on my opinion, is still my favorite, number one. So I'm going to be trying out this one, and I see how good the sound quality is, how good the active noise cancelling is. So, and from the back, let me take off the plastic. From here, Huawei FreeBuds Pro, nothing. That's it. Let's open it up. All right, so that's it right there. Oh, wow, so nice, so small. Oh, this is small, this is cute. Nice, let's put it on the side. Find out what else comes in the box. What else do we have in here? All right. So what else do we have in here? So definitely the charging cable. Oh man, this is long. This is cool. This is amazing. Most of the charging cable for a true wireless headset are always very small and short, but this is really long. I like this. Shout out to Huawei for putting in a very long USB Type-C charging cable. And what else do we have? All right. So we have some different ear tips, 3 sizes. There is the large, medium, and small. And above all, the quick start guide. So let me put all this thing on the side and let's check out the headset. In the box, we have 2 extra pair of ear tips, the charging cable, which is very long. I'm so happy about that. And the earbuds. This is it right here. Let's take off this plastic. Oh, so this is it right here. Huawei branding on one side. USB Type-C, that's good. And that's all. Oh, I like the fact that it's so light, so small. I mean, comparing it with my Sony WF-1000XM3, this is much smaller. And it's very good. I like the fact that this has a lot of battery life. This is about 30 hours of battery life from the case and the earbuds. 30 hours. That's a lot, and that's good. So pop it open for the first time. Just like this. That's how it looks like. Yeah, magnetic. Can you hear the sound? Oh, it sounds good. Oh, I like it, man. I like the fact that it's so small. Feels so good in the hands. It's made of plastic, but nice quality plastic. Yeah, it doesn't fall off at all. So when you close it, it automatically starts charging. There is one LED indicator right in the middle. Right here, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's blinking, which means it's now on pairing mode. There is one on the bottom to indicate the charging level of the charging case. And yeah, that's it. Let me take it out from the charging case. And all right, this is the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. This is how it looks like. The design looks almost like that of the AirPods Pro, but a bit different. I mean, I like this design of the FreeBuds Pro better. Yeah, I like this design. There is one ear tips. This is small. That comes with it right in the box. Yeah, this is it, guys. The Huawei FreeBuds Pro. Very nice. I like this design. And it's very small. Comparing it with my Sony WF-1000XM3, oof, this is very small. Smaller than the Sony WF. And that's the only downside I've always have with the Sony WF, which is the size. Using this thing in the gym is almost impossible. It's big, it's fall off from the ear. So I hope the Huawei FreeBuds Pro is better and can fit and stay well in the ear. And this headset, or the Huawei FreeBuds Pro, comes with 3 colors. We have the ceramic white, silver frost, and carbon black. This is the silver frost. I mean, I'm just going to call it silver. So it comes in 3 colors, white, silver, and black. That's it. And the earbuds plus the charging case has about 30 hours of listening time. That is great. That's insane from this little thing right here. I mean, the charging case is very small, smaller than my Sony WF-1000XM3. Just look at it. This is huge. And it has the size almost like that of the AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro is smaller, the same size like this. I mean, somebody is copying somebody, which is not a bad thing. I love it. So each earbud have about 4.5 hours of listening time with active noise cancelling turn off. With active noise cancellation, you can have about 3.5 hours, which is all right. I mean, I love using the active noise cancelling because that's the number one reason I'm buying this headset, because of the active noise cancelling. So with it on, you have 3.5 hours. They also have Bluetooth 5.2. Bluetooth 5.2 is the most recent Bluetooth right now, and it has a better range and better connectivity, which is good. I love it. These earbuds also have touch and pinch control. It's almost like that of the AirPods Pro. I mean, somebody is copying somebody somewhere or somehow, which is not a bad thing. I mean, it's good for me. I love it. That means you can pinch once to pause the music, can pinch again to play. You can pinch 2 times to go to the next track. You pinch 3 times to go to the previous, exactly as that of the AirPods Pro, pinching. And there's also swipe gesture. So if you swipe up, you increase the volume. You swipe down to reduce the volume. So you can do everything directly from the earbud without even using the Huawei app, which I'm going to show you later in the video. There is an app that you have to download to control a lot of things from the earbud, which is good. The charging case, which I love so much, is so small, can fit into any bag, it can fit right in the palm of your hands. You can put this into any pocket. It's so small and really nice. It's so portable, easy to carry around. I like it. I mean, comparing it with the Sony WF, like just check it out. This is way better. I love it. And it also have a wireless charging. So right now, if I drop it on my wireless charging pad right here, let me turn it on. I don't know, why is it not charging? All right, that's it. I don't know if you guys can see the little LED light right here, which means it's charging. That's nice. So if I don't want to plug in the USB Type-C cable that comes with it, I just simply drop it on any wireless charging pad right here. It starts charging. That's really cool. I like it. The magnetic lid also is really good. So solid. It doesn't fall off. It's really solid. Yeah. Now, let's connect this headset to my phone. I don't have a Huawei phone, so I'm going to be connecting it to my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And let's see how it works with other Android devices. Let's say if I pop it open, it's going to automatically connect to my Galaxy Z Flip. I mean, this is not a Huawei device. This is a Galaxy phone and a Huawei headset. I don't think it's going to work because like in most Huawei devices, when you pop it open, it automatically appears on your phone. No. So what I have to do is I have to get into the Huawei app, which is called AI Life. Then tap on the little plus button right there, scanning. And there we go. That's it right there, Huawei FreeBuds Pro. Tap on connect. And yes, pair to my phone. And that's it. The process is very, very fast. Like right now it's connected. So if we tap on the Huawei FreeBuds Pro, and as you can see, connected, it has the battery percentage of the left earbud, the right earbud, and the charging case, which is good. Noise control, you can turn on noise cancelling right here. You turn it off, or you put it on awareness. Awareness is the same as what we call ambient mode to hear your surrounding. So that's the settings. And let's put it on noise cancelling. On noise cancelling, you have different modes that you can use for noise cancelling. You can have dynamic, which the earbud automatically adjusts the ambient sound or the noise cancelling based on your surrounding. There is also Cozy, which is great for little noisy environment. There is General, which is good for noisy, very noisy environment. There is Ultra, which is good for extremely noisy environment like an airport, a train station. So this is good. It has a lot of different modes you can use for the noise cancelling. On the bottom, you have tip for fit. You have to find out if the earbuds fit really good in the ears, and where dictation is right here. If you turn this on, whenever you take out the earbud from your ear, the music automatically pauses, or when you put it down for a long period of time, automatically turn off, which is good. I like that settings. There is help and update, that's all. Oh, the app is so little. There is no great things on this app, man. I mean, comparing it with the app of the Sony WF-1000XM3, there is equalizer, but this has no equalizer. And that's something I hate, man, because sometimes you just want to change the settings. You want to put it to sound the way you like. Maybe you want to increase the bass, you want to reduce the treble, you want to put more, but this app doesn't have all the good stuff. It's just noise canceling, the percentage of battery, that's all. Those are the most important things. It's crazy. Yeah. So now I'm going to test out the sound quality and the active noise canceling. Then I'm going to let you guys know if this thing can replace my Sony WF or any other earbuds with active noise cancelling. Let me check it out. I just tested out the Huawei FreeBuds Pro, and there are things I like about it and there are things I dislike about it. Let's start with the things I like about it. Number one is the fact that it fits so well in the ear. It doesn't fall off. It feels comfortable in the ear. I mean, with this headset, even if you take it to the gym, it will never fall off from your ear. I love the fit about it. And also, you got to make sure to choose the right ear tips. Like mine, I'm using the large right now, and it fit perfectly well in my ear. I like it. I also like the swipe gestures. Its swiping is so good. This touch sensitive is so perfect. I mean, when you pinch once, it goes to the next track. You pinch 2 times, it goes to the previous. When you pinch once again, you can receive calls or reject calls. I mean, the swipe gestures and the pinch is amazing. It's so good. I also like the fact that you can connect it to 2 devices at a time, and which is great. And so right now it's connected to my Galaxy Z Flip and my iPad Pro, and I can switch between both. I can listen music at one time on the iPad Pro. I can switch to the phone at any time. So I like that. And also I like the battery life. It's amazing. And now let's talk about the things I don't like about it. 1, the active noise cancelling is not as great as the Sony WF-1000XM3. So my Sony, it's still my favorite. The Huawei FreeBuds Pro, the active noise cancelling is okay, but it's not great. So if you want a great active noise cancelling headset, the Sony WF-1000XM3, it's still the champion, on my opinion. Another thing I dislike about it is the fact that the app doesn't have equalizer. The app is so limited. It's crazy, man. Comparing it with the app of my Sony WF-1000XM3, this is nothing. At least there should be an equalizer on this thing, because with an equalizer, I can control the way I want my music to sound. Maybe I want more bass, or maybe I want more treble. You can control all that, but the app doesn't have it. The app is so limited, and I hate it. Another thing I dislike about this Huawei FreeBuds Pro is the fact that taking them out from the case is a pain in my butt. It's so slippery. Just to take it out, it's so difficult. Check it out. I mean, just to take out this thing, it's so slippery. Oh man, I wish this thing was a bit, or maybe they had some a texture that would make it easy to take it out from the case. But taking it out from the case, especially when your hands or your fingers are wet. But apart from that, it's good. It's all right. The sound quality is good, but not as great as the Sony WF. And also, above all, the price, it's not too expensive. It's quite cheaper as compared to the Sony WF when it came out. When this thing came out, it was so expensive. But the price is all right. So everything about it is good, but not great. Yeah, and that's all about this video. The Huawei FreeBuds Pro. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about it? And if you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on notification because more videos, great videos will be coming up on Big Field TV.